Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe Ferranti Gennaro. I'm with the Bath and Kitchen Gallery. Alright, this bathroom we had a fiberglass tub insert. It's kind of like one of those all-in-one pieces surrounded by some really old style tumbled marble tile. And the design goal there was to pull all that out and turn it into a really nice walk-in shower. Okay, converting this tub to a shower, now you don't have to step over that high height of the tub. You have a nice low curb. You can put in a nice frameless glass enclosure. The larger porcelain tile on the wall is much easier to keep clean. And then very popular is a shower column like you see behind me. And that's one of the most popular things to put in. You get like a rain can head and you get a handheld on a slide bar. Okay folks, if you want to learn more about kitchen and bathroom remodeling, go to tampakitchenandbath.com and visit our social media sites.